What is Wi-Fi Direct and how to use it? Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use the Wi-Fi Direct and what it is. So Wi-Fi Direct is simply a technology that makes two Android devices use the Wi-Fi one-to-one. So how we can use the Wi-Fi Direct is, first of all, hit to your Wi-Fi option. So you can find it depending on your device, either on the Wi-Fi, and also you can find it maybe on the additional wireless connections as well. So just see that, and after you do that, go on the detail option, and on the top right side you'll see three vertical dots. For my phone it is in this section, so I'll just tap on the Wi-Fi Direct right here. Now what you should do is to connect my phone to the other phone one-to-one. I can simply connect and enable my Wi-Fi Direct on this phone and tap on the available devices. If other person has also opened the Wi-Fi Direct, then we can see it visible right here. If not, then it won't be visible. Let other phone also make the Wi-Fi Direct on, and we can simply share the Wi-Fi one-to-one like that. So that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment on the comment section below. Thank you for watching.